Hello everyone, and welcome back to Automation School. Today, we're giving you our top list of faceless YouTube channel ideas in 2023, which you can get inspiration from to kickstart your own successful channel this year. The following list is proven to bring high CPMs and are great starting points for a profitable channel. If you've ever wanted to reap the benefits of being a YouTuber without showing your face, then you are in the right place. Faceless channels have been all the craze on YouTube lately, giving the channel owners endless possibilities in terms of their earning potential. One of the highest CPM niches on YouTube is finance. The economy is constantly changing, and there's always a new potential investment on the horizon. Whether you're covering daily news, the hottest stocks, or the newest crypto on the market, there's an endless amount of topics for you to cover. Additionally, finance is a trending niche on YouTube already, meaning that you can easily automate the video process by going to a popular video on a topic you want to cover, clicking the three dots, and finding the transcript. Copy and paste the video transcript into a paraphrasing and rewording AI software like Quillbot, and you have a script all ready to go. Source the voiceover from a low-cost seller on Fiverr or through a voice AI like Speechify, and edit the video with an all-in-one video software like Pictory or Synthesia. If you're looking for evergreen content, look no further than the niche of personal finance and money-making. Everyone wants to get rich in one way or another, and YouTube is one of those resources that people seek out when trying to better their personal finances. With this being such a popular niche on YouTube, you can also easily find source material for your scripts. Additionally, this YouTube channel idea allows you to scale into a more profitable business by providing other services, such as one-on-one money counseling, selling ebooks, or courses to your viewers. Product review videos have become one of the most reliable sources of information for consumers and a highly profitable faceless YouTube channel idea. Now, we say highly profitable because you are able to introduce a new source of income through these types of videos, which is affiliate marketing. You can find more extensive videos on affiliate marketing on our channel, but essentially, affiliate marketing is the process of embedding personalized URLs into your video content that leads to product landing pages. You earn a commission-based rate for each sale whenever a user purchases the product from your specific link. Depending on the retailer, service, or product, you may be able to earn huge sums of money in commissions. In the context of product review videos, it is easier than ever to implement affiliate marketing links into your videos. A common type of product review video is in the form of a list, such as the top 10 refrigerators or top 10 flat-screen TVs. If you're able to obtain affiliate links for each product that you feature in your list, you are guaranteed to earn money from commissions, as not only are you communicating the value of each product through your review, but also providing a quick and easy way for users to purchase the product should they choose to. Perhaps one of the most straightforward ideas on this list is sleep music. All that is required is a copyright-free song on loop and an image from Unsplash. With many viewers watching these videos to fall asleep, this is a surefire way to increase your watch time. Since the nature of these videos requires them to be around 8 hours long on average, viewers who sleep to the sound of sleep music are likely to have the video on all night, which does wonders for your average view duration, which will ultimately help in boosting your video in the algorithm and increasing the video's reach to more viewers. This video length also provides more advertising space to brands, which means more ad revenue for you. To get started, search for royalty-free background music channels on YouTube and find a few relaxing songs, such as jazz or lo-fi. Some YouTube channels where you can find music are royalty-free music, relaxed movement, and breaking copyright. Once you have picked out your songs, you can source background stock footage from sites such as Vidisi or Pexels to layer on top of your audio. Similar to sleep music, ambience videos only require either stock images or videos paired with music, or in this case, ambience noises. Ambience videos are commonly used during work or study periods, which also results in longer watch times and are beneficial for your average view duration. Common ambience videos include cafe settings, rainy nights, and cozy cabins. Stock videos that you can use for ambience videos can be found on websites such as Pexels, Pixabay, and Envato Elements, and Mixkit has a library of free ambience noises that you can use. With restrictions easing up and summer right around the corner, vacation plans are well underway for many people. This requires extensive research on their vacation destinations for their dream itinerary. With so much traffic coming in from keywords like travel, vacation, and trip, This guarantees that there will be constant viewers of your videos. Many airlines and cruise lines, such as Qatar Airways and Royal Caribbean, have affiliate programs which you can sign up for, allowing you to earn commissions on tickets purchased from your viewers. Royal Caribbean offers 4% commission, while Qatar Airways offers up to 2.8% in commissions. YouTube gaming has gained significant traction lately since many of Twitch's top streamers switched over. There is now an influx of new gaming enthusiasts searching for fresh content on YouTube. If you're a gamer, this is an easy way to turn your hobby into an income stream by uploading your funniest moments onto YouTube. With software such as NVIDIA GeForce Experience or OBS, you don't even have to record constantly. These programs have software that is always working in the background while you game so that you can capture any funny moments with the click of a button. They have a feature that can record the last few minutes of your gameplay so that you can make easy compilations without having to scroll through hours of footage. One of the most common reasons why people go on YouTube is to find tutorial videos, especially for software such as video, photo, and audio editing programs. These tutorials can be filmed entirely via desktop without your face showing. Not to mention, these apps have plenty of updates, which would give you a ton of content to film as viewers are constantly on the lookout for the latest information. If you're a YouTuber, you're probably well versed with some sort of editing program already, and sharing your knowledge with an audience would provide a form of valuable content without you having to outsource anything or research a new topic. And there you have it, our top 8 faceless YouTube channel ideas. If we've inspired you in any way to start a channel of your own, let us know what kind in the comments below. We'd love to check you out once you've gotten started. As always, thank you for attending Automation School, and until next time, see you later, Automators.